Hi there, my name's Karen Crookes from Sunflower Stitches, and today we're going to start building our blocks with half square triangles. And you'll see here in this particular block that we've got half square triangles at the top here, and we've also got some half square triangles down in the bottom right. And you would repeat that with all of your squares to make sure that they were perfectly sized before you then start putting them together. And what you'll then find is when you come to put them together into your individual blocks that you see here, that they will fit perfectly and will be the right size for the component pieces that you need. So that's our lesson on half square triangles.